Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these super easy cookies that melts in your mouth. We will start by adding 130 grams of soft butter into a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. We'll add 60 ml of vegetable oil. Next, we will add 1 egg, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. You can use the vanilla flavor, the liquid one, and a pinch of salt. Mix very well to properly combine. After mixing, we add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we mix very well until a soft dough is formed. You can use your hands for this if you prefer. The dough should look like this after mixing. Transfer the dough to a work surface and divide into 2 equal parts. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to one part and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the other part. Mix together to properly combine. After that, we will set aside the chocolate dough and we will start working on the plain dough. We will roll out using a rolling pin. Then we will cut into shape using a circle cutter. After cutting, we take out the excess dough and set aside. Then we transfer the cookie cutouts to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. We will repeat the process for the chocolate dough. Now bring the excess dough that you set aside, roll out and cut into shape. Next, we will take a very small cookie cutter and then cut the middle to create a donut shape. After that, transfer to a baking tray and also repeat the process for the chocolate dough. Bake in the oven for 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. While the cookie is baking, we will melt some chocolate. Add about 60 grams of dark chocolate to one bowl and 60 grams of white chocolate to the other. Add hot water to a bigger bowl and melt the chocolate over the hot water. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to each chocolate for extra shine. After melting, your chocolate should look like this. At this point, our cookies are baked and completely cooled down. It's time to assemble the cookies. We'll add the white chocolate onto the chocolate cookies. And then we add the dark chocolate onto the plain cookies. After that, we will cover using the donut shaped cookies. For extra beauty, we will drizzle some more chocolate on the cookies. If you enjoyed watching this video, I would really appreciate it if you could kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting, and also share the videos to your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions, about your suggestions and about your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.